Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing. To make advanced changes to a selected image, you can use the Format Picture task pane within PowerPoint 2013 to control every aspect of your picture in detail. For upgrading users, you should note that the Format Picture task pane now replaces the Format Picture dialog box found in PowerPoint 2010 and 2007. The options available are very similar. However, the task pane allows for greater freedom of movement and placement of the task pane when working with images in a presentation. You can display the Format Picture task pane by clicking the Format Shape Launcher button, which is found in the lower right corner of the Picture Styles button group on the Format tab of the Picture Tools Contextual tab. Remember that the Format tab will only open if a picture is highlighted. Now that the Format tab is open, we can click on the lower right corner of the Picture Styles group, also known as the Format Shape button, to open up the Format Picture task pane. You can close the Format Picture task pane at any time by clicking the small X button in the upper right corner. The options that you can change for your selected image are grouped by category within this task pane. You can see the categories shown as icons at the top of the task pane. To use the task pane, click one of the category icons shown at the top and then make any changes to the available settings shown within the collapsible and expandable category groupings that appear below the category icons. You can click the titles of the category groupings to collapse and expand the settings shown within each. You can then change any settings shown within the expandable groupings. The changes that you make are applied immediately as they are set. So you may need to use the Reset Picture button to reset your image after experimenting with the settings if you do not like them. The next few lessons within this chapter will discuss changing the settings within each category listed within the Format Picture task pane. When the task pane first appears, it is docked to the right side of the application window. You can move the task pane within PowerPoint 2013 by placing your mouse pointer over the Format Picture title until you see the mouse pointer become a four-pointed arrow. When it looks like that, you can then click and drag the task pane to have it appear floating over the presentation area if you prefer. You can also click and drag it to the far right and left sides of the application window to dock it to the left or right sides of the screen. You can resize the task pane when it is floating over the presentation area by placing your mouse pointer over one of the sides of the task pane until you see your mouse pointer turn into a two-pointed arrow. When it does this, you can click and drag in the directions shown by the arrows to increase or decrease its size. You can also use this same technique to increase or decrease the width of the task pane when it is docked at the right or left side of the application window. Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.